In this lesson, I will discuss about SolidWorks file format. Inside SolidWorks, you can work with three different files: part, assembly, and drawing. If I create a new file, I will see there are three different templates here: part, assembly, and drawing template. By using these three, I can create my part, assembly, or drawing. So this is part and format is SLD-PRT. If I say at the top, this is the extension for the part .SLD-PRT. Then if I go to one assembly file, its format is .SLD-ASM. And then if I go to inside a drawing file, its format is not showing. So in that case, I can go to file, save as .SLD-DRW. So with these three format, you have to work inside the SolidWorks. But if you want to import any different file format, let's say STP file or XT file, in that case you can also import that. If I go to inside the part environment, now if I go to file and open, let's say I want to open an assembly file. In that case, I have to select this, or if I go to this drop down menu, from here you will see there are many different formats I can import inside SolidWorks. I can import any CATIA version or NX or Inventor file. All major softwares files support inside this SolidWorks, which is really very good. Let's say you work inside Inventor, you can import that Inventor file inside SolidWorks directly. You do not need to convert it in any other file format. But after importing any different file format, you have to work with this part, assembly, or drawing format. This is the only three format you can work inside this SolidWorks.